am a girl.
Pull like a boy.
Ugh, you trying to make me look dumb?
Oh yeah. Oh, it's dripping.
Holy shit. I knew I had the misfire.
Maybe if you clean it with your mouth.
Listen, I gotta keep it tight, you know?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm ordering Chinese. Aren't you proud of me, Mom?
All right, so what now?
I have a misfire.
Oh, we just changed your oil and everything was fine. How do you even know it's a misfire? Let me see. All right, well, turn it around. Pop the hood. I don't even know where your hood thingy is.
For a car guy, that's sad.
I think I work on piece of shit econo boxes like this. Work on race cars.
Anyways.
Happens to be your lucky day because I have a valve cover kit and spark plugs for this car.
Thank God.
However, I'm not working on this thing. That's on you. Yeah,
figured.
let's see what you got.
Spark plugs. I was about to say, where the fuck does it say what it is on there? This is an oil cap. It says oil on it. No.
No. Your hardware and everything.
What is this?
So yeah, that's gonna replace that. Cool that it comes with all new hardware, but there you go. Oh, we're gonna take. Dude, it almost went down into the void.
Wait, can I keep this gas cap?
What? The gas cap? Yeah, you can keep your gas cap.
Can I keep this oil cap because it says,
you like it?
It says what
oil
I have
you
to use. I don't. This one doesn't say what I have to use.
Yeah, sure. You can keep the old one. Star bits and then star sockets. I mean, I've worked on a Corvette and didn't have to use those. Anyway.
Chevy. Oh, wait, Corvette is Chevy. Oh my God. Anyways.
We have to get to work. What are you doing?
I'm ordering Chinese. I'm hungry.
Start taking some of this wiring. Just pull on it. You're pulling like a girl.
I am a fucking girl.
Pull like a boy.
Ugh.
There you go.
I had to channel my inner Kyle.
Back harness. Yep. There you go. Now we're getting somewhere.
She tight. She tight.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
This is wrapped around this cover. It's gonna have to sit in that one. Okay. Cool. All right. We are good.
Yeah, pull. The bottom one is going to be to loosen. The top one is to...
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Cool beans. Oh, excuse me. I couldn't find my phone for a second. I
Is
don't
that a standard problem?
usually know. Why is there oil all over your tools? Oh, never mind. I'm so
Y'all watch the first video. She couldn't even barely change her oil. Now we got her trying to do a valve cover job. Pull it up, wiggle. Go.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh.
Hey, it wasn't in the second one, it was in the third. I knew I had the misfire.
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
I actually don't know for this one. Am I gonna need this?
Yes. Oh, okay. Looks like she got the hose. Hey.
Good.
You know what would make this a lot faster?
What?
Probably the power tool you were just using.
Oh. And then I'll go that.
Nope, that's tightening. Yep.
Okay. Your tool just sucked in my hair. There's a hidden little doodad right there.
Getting somewhere. Wait. I don't think the middle one's all the way loose in the back.
You have a bolt? I'm looking stupid. You trying to make me look dumb? You are. You actually are. Oh, I'm so scared. My dipstick's in the way.
The gasket's staying with the motor.
Oh, that. What?
Oh, we'll see. Anyway, she's panicking. She's freaking out. Yeah. Anyway.
Honestly, with how fast I've been going on this one, I have a lot of confidence now, you know? Just start dating a car guy. Save yourself $850 some odd dollars right here.
Wait, we're dating?
Go get me the shop towels. Are you ready to watch this ingenuity?
So ready to see this. You're shoving. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be back here. Oh, someone grabbed her own ass.
What do you mean?
There's marks.
I'm in black pants. How
No, believe me. Anyway, let's go get a socket for this. Love it. That's going in the personal gallery.
That's not off, right?
Correct.
Okay. Run that clip.
You're going back tight.
Listen, I gotta keep it tight, you know?
Yeah, you better. No. I brought this. Uh-huh. That's not even
there's
that
some
bad.
oil on this
I
one.
want it down in the cylinder, so put the... Yeah, normally you just drop those in there. Now you should have it. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's dripping. Yeah, that's the good stuff.
I knew it.
That's the good stuff.
Fucking knew it.
Love that.
Like, holy shit! Yep, that's how I feel.
Huh?
All right, tighten this. I'm impressed with the way you're doing it. Can't really brake to eat with an open engine.
Time and next enable.
She doing it.
She a boss ass bitch.
She doing it.
Bitch.
Although she is pinching the harness on this side.
Oops. It's okay. You go right there anyways. Alright. No!
See if that goes onto the new valve cover. So you can have your pretty little bullshit. I've never seen someone struggle with an oil cap like this. Oh, okay. You kind of shake that.
My hands are just too oily.
Mm. Yeah, we're good. All right.
For some reason, I appeal to car guys, so. we can figure out why.
Because instead of a spark plug, it's a butt plug.
One way to start an engine.
Maybe if you clean it with your mouth. Fucking put that in. 2 bolts and then replugging it in. Yeah. The tools, we gotta get the spray paint.
Yes. Can I start it?
Oh, let's take all these things off so they don't rattle their way into the engine bay.
Please. Please.
Looks like you did it there, bud. Valve cover. Valve cover gasket. And spark plug. Hell yeah.
Sub to the OnlyFans.
Maybe we can start upgrading this thing one day if they subscribe.
Maybe. We paint it pink. Who knows?
Yeah. So that's part 2 of a new series.
Aren't you proud of me, Mom?
Good job.
Thank you.
Now we can clean up and finally...
Thank you.